Glow-Getters, huddle up! It's time to power up your day.
Mission locked! The Sound Safari! Let's glow! Huddle up, Glow-Getters! Ms. Apple gave us a mission. We're going on a sound safari. We aren't looking for names today. We're catching sounds. Ready? Let's go! Wait, hear that? Ah, ah, ah. Do you see the letter making that sound? There it is! To catch it, we have to make the sound together. On 3. 1, 2, 3, R! Got it! Alligator!
All right, you got me.
That's the power of the letter A!
Whoa! Hear that? Ba-ba-ba. Do you see the letter making that sound?
I see you, letter B! Glow-Getters, help me catch it! Say ba! Ba! Yay! We caught it! Say ba, 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 baboon!
Okay, you got me.
Wow! Did you hear that? Ch, 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 ch. Do you see the letter making that sound?
I see you, letter C! Come on, Glow-Getters, let's catch it! Say k-k-k!
Wait, I see another letter. It's an H. Let's catch it. Say ha, 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 ha. Whoa! They are together. We have to put the sounds together so we can catch them. Ready? Say ch, ch, ch.
Say it louder!
Ch, 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 ch.
Cheetah!
Okay, you got me.
4 sounds caught. You're officially sound explorers now. Stay glowing, Glow-Getters.
Check us out on all social media under Royalties Education Zone. And parents, if you would like to donate, visit our Ko-Fi under Royalties Education Zone or click the link.